How to delete card on Xbox. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can delete our card on Xbox. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. To delete your card on Xbox, you could either use the console or you can open your browser and go to xbox.com and log into your respective Microsoft Xbox account. Click on your profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen and click on My Microsoft Account. Remember, if your payment method or your card is linked to any active subscription from Microsoft, you won't be able to remove that existing one, unless you add another one and make that the default one to remove the previous one. Once you're here on this page, scroll down and look for the option called Payment Methods and select it. You will be able to see a list of payment methods you've added, from where you'll also be able to remove it if you've added one of those. And this way you'll be able to remove your payment method on your Xbox. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.